In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to use and run YouTube on your PS5. So the first thing we need to do is to go into settings here, as you can see, and then go into users and accounts. And then in here, you're just going to go into linked services, as you can see. So go into linked services. I just have to wait. I don't know why it's loading this much, by the way. I'm just going to try to do it again then. Let's see. Okay, now perfectly. Now we can go into YouTube right here and then click on link. And then I'm just going to click on use browser in the bottom right corner. Just going to load here for us in just a second. And then you can just click on privacy right here, as you can see. So click on privacy right here, just waiting for it to load. Once again, I don't know why it's loading so much, so I'm sorry for this, guys. Maybe it's something with my Wi-Fi here, but you can see we should now be taken to this page right here, and then click on this, as you can see. This like a bunch of dots here. I think it's 9 dots. And then click on YouTube after that. So click on YouTube. We're going to wait for it to load here. And you can see you're now on YouTube actually on your PS5. So you can now, I'm just going to click on accept all. So now you can now start actually searching for whatever you want to be able to view in here. And basically that is exactly how to get and use YouTube on your PS5.